How to automate visitor and employee tracking process during pandemic COVID-19. Pandemic COVID-19 has affected our daily life and business operations seriously. To address the new norm, daily business operation and our lifestyle needs to change based on innovation and application of technology. Failed to comply COVID-19 SOP can lead to serious consequences which end up stop business operation, can't fulfill commitment on delivery and cause serious penalty. Furthermore, employee health is on the high risk. Currently, visitor tracking process include manual registration, manual body temperature scanning, manual data entry and manual report generation. This increased security officer workload and influenced their productivity and work efficiency. Traditional visitor tracking process is no longer suitable to comply with COVID-19 protocol. This resulted in excessive manual work, compliance problem, hard visitor traceability and health risk to visitor and employee.
All these problems make my job inefficient. How can we digitize hard copy visitor logbook and simplify the whole process?
Smart VMS is a modern web-based system which is specially designed to cater for new norm and meeting the protocol of COVID-19 visitor entry. It connects to intelligent face recognition camera with infrared temperature measurement. Smart VMS is a powerful and automated visitor management system to increase productivity and reduce operation cost. Key features of Smart VMS include auto-capturing of body temperature, real-time dashboard, body temperature alert and mobile apps. For visitor check-in, there are two options, visitor with appointment or walk-in visitor. For visitor with appointment, the visitor is required to make appointment through Smart VMS apps. The host shall approve the application, or else the appointment will be rejected. Affected visitor will receive notification through mobile apps. During the appointment day, the visitor shall stand in front of the face recognition camera. The camera will detect the person details, and capture the body temperature. If passed, he can proceed to the meeting with the host. For walk-in visitor process flow, the visitor should scan their identity card and the data will be captured by the system. The visitor can check in through face recognition camera and body temperature scanning, then proceed to the meeting. At the end of meeting, the host should acknowledge the attendance of visitor through mobile apps. Subsequently, visitor is free to check out by scanning their face at the face recognition camera. For employee tracking process, the employee shall check in through face recognition camera, then can proceed to their work. At the end of the day, employee shall check out through the same process. Smart VMS involves cloud computing technology, web technology, real-time alert, big data analytics and mobile technology. Smart VMS is suitable for employee attendance tracking and visitor tracking which emphasize of COVID-19 compliance. It can be used in factory, commercial building, resident apartment, hospital, shipyard, etc. The benefits of Smart VMS include automated visitor and employee tracking process, eliminate human error, real-time alert and dashboard, paperless environment, better operation control, reduce visitor waiting time, and compliance COVID-19 protocol.
After implementing Smart VMS, our operation control become more efficient. Furthermore, we are in better position to comply COVID-19 protocol. Our employee and visitor health condition being protected.
If you have any inquiries or question, don't hesitate to contact us or visit our website for more information. Thank you for watching.